Ayan, okey na ba yan? Ganyan kaliwanag. Ayan, so actually, when I was the time that when I was at university that time at college, I never I never joined on any organization, something like this, like that, because my attention is just focusing on my studies. So I tell you again, guys. So uh, that's it. So when I heard this group, this organization, it's for me. It seems this is really great, and this is different. And I want something like this to help others, also. So while we are living here on earth, so mm, uh, much better to help each other. So I think this is a great decision of me that I want to fulfill this year. Yeah, so I inviting you all, guys. If you are interested also, you can join at RCGSPII Alamid chapter. Ayan. So we have also group. You can search at Facebook the RCGSPII Alamid chapter. You can join, and then I will accept you there. Okay. So so that's it. So that is only our Marites time for tonight, for this midnight live stream. Okay. So thank you all, guys. Thank you. So once again, good evening to all of you here. And what's there? And guys, if you want to shout out your name, um, comments down below, guys. If you want, I will shout out your name. Okay, comments down below. So I am so happy always that you are always here every time that I go live. So appreciate you all, guys. Appreciate you all. So thank you. Just I am have relaxing watching on my favorite Widow's War. Wow. This is my relaxing time. While I am not yet sleeping. So I have still time to watch this Tagalog teleserye. The title is Widow's War, guys. Widow's War. It's challenging movie, Tagalog movie. It's how about real suspense also. You can share our live, guys. You can share our live. We can share it to our group, no. I will try to search it, to send it on group, Facebook. I will. I just try to to share it at my group at RCGS PI